Hi guys, so we're here at Aqualand, Cartimar's Pet Center. So it's February 22nd of 2021. So we could see here at the entrance, you would see a lot of aquariums, and this is done on the spot also. And there's one for delivery. So they have different sorts of angelfish about the size of my palm, and then they have ready-made bonsai driftwoods for your aquarium and setups. So of course there's goldfishes, and then I saw this. These are trending right now for hobbyists. Different kinds of betta fish or fighting fish, veil tail, rose tail, placket, and come in all sorts of color and patterns that you can choose from. So also containers or tanks that you can put them, and if you want to put some decor. And yep, it's a very nice, beautiful fish. So also you would see different kinds of variety of goldfish. So most of the shop here at Cartimar or Aqualand Alley would look like this. You have all the fishes assorted, stocked, and also you have all the decors or equipments, and also medicines or conditioners for the water. And you will see a setup like this. And you have cichlids too that you can choose from, different colors. And yep, they have a lot of angelfish today, and it's about a palm of my hand size. They have paku or red belly paku, and all sorts of mollies, and carp or koi, guppies. So if you are into collecting guppies, and if you are into Malawi cichlids, halves, and also blue collar parrotfish, and also you can have an idea of setups like this for kitty stuff also, and figurines, and also decors that you can put in SpongeBob, fairies. They have parrotfish also, and more angelfish, and also you can have an iguana if you would like to keep an exotic pet. They also have tarantulas. We also have birds here, cats, dogs, rabbits, hamster, different birds, and turtles. So all sorts, even fish food and vitamins. And also for exotic pets, they have crickets too, superworm, and even aquarium background, filter hose. And you will find all the good stuff here at Cartimar. So as you would see, even saltwater fishes are available here at Cartimar. The famous Nemo, and they have dories too. So if you'd like to complete the gang, they have it here at Cartimar or Aqualand Alley. And most of the saltwater fishes are beautiful in bright color. So we have different kinds of parrotfish also, and even weird looking fishes. As you can see here, it's like a needle, and these are all fishes. And also the famous Daniels, which never stops swimming. Even live plants, by the way, and driftwoods, and also different kind of stones. You can put it inside your aquarium, and even monster fish they have here. If you are into big fishes. And also you can check out all small fishes too. So they have zebra, guppies, all the small fishes, endlers, and of course the famous betta fish and some mixture. You can have an idea also how to set up your aquarium. So as you would see here, this is just a very small aquarium, but it's all full pack of beautiful things inside. And also you would see here giant fish like arowana and also some stingrays. So you have all choices that you can do as to the hobby, and also you could place a setup like this. Haggle is the keyword going here at Cartimar, because there are different stores that have different price, and so you would have an idea before you actually buy one or buy anything. Try to go around first and scout out or canvas what are the prices that they offer. Well, till next time guys, thank you for watching.